Hi, thanks for taking the time to watch this quick video. My name is Dennis from Singapore and I am an International Marketing Director with World Ventures. In the next few minutes, I'm going to share with you an entire world of travel that you probably never knew existed. I'm going to show you how you can experience more travel at prices not available to the general public, experience more fun in your life than you're having right now, and experience more unforgettable moments with your loved ones. And I'll also show you a way to help you fund those travel experiences. What is it that keeps people from experiencing these things now? Well, several years ago, two friends asked themselves that very same question. And the answer is money and know-how. If we could afford to create the experiences of our dreams and knew how to do it, we would. So they put their heads together and decided to design a way for people to have these amazing travel experiences. But their idea was much more than just a travel club. They created a way for anyone on any budget to experience more. They created dream trips. Now these aren't just discounted hotel rooms, these are dream trips. Dream trips are superior holiday experiences offered exclusively to our members at members-only prices. Each dream trip is a carefully curated holiday where all the planning is done for you. And most come complete with personalized service from your dream trip host. Now your dream trip's host gets you pre-checked into your room, throws amazing parties where you can mix and mingle with fellow travelers, organizes exclusive excursions, arranges special occasions, and provides you a level of service that cannot be surpassed. Now in many cases, you can go on just one dream trip and save more than the cost of your membership. So, it just makes sense. You'll have access to choose from hundreds of dream trips all over the world. And members experience things like $69 cruises every single month, 4- and 5-star all-inclusive luxurious resorts, incredible tour packages. You can go on trips all across Europe and the Mediterranean, see the amazing countries in Asia and the South Pacific. You can take trips all over North and South America. You can take your family on a cruise, a ski trip, or even an African safari. Now, if you want to experience more fulfillment and make a difference in the lives of others, we have voluntourism trips where you can give back and contribute to those in need. We've got school holidays, and you adventurous, we got you covered too. If you're into sports, we can take you on amazing hunting and even fishing trips, as well as major sporting events like the European Grand Prix and the British Open. Now, we have trips for every budget and every schedule. Now, what's so unique about the dream trip concept is that these one-of-a-kind experiences should be offered to the marketplace at a premium. But by offering members-only prices, we're able to supply exclusive rates for each dream trip experience. Rates that cannot be offered to the general public. And our members have total confidence in our exclusive pricing due to our Dream Price Promise. With the Dream Price Promise, if you book a dream trip and then happen to find the same holiday package for less within 7 days of booking, we'll pick up the tab. That's right, your dream trip is on us. Now obviously, that's been a major reason for the success of our company. But what you'll discover that is way more valuable than the savings is the incredible experience you will have on our dream trips. We know when you go on a dream trip, it will be one of the best, if not the best, holiday experience in your life. Now that may sound like a pretty bold claim, but take a look at a few of our recent dream trips to see for yourself.
Here we are in Cancun, we're having a blast.
Everything's taken care of with this. We just have to show up.
It's never a dull moment.
You just cannot beat the value.
Service like no other. Nothing compares to what this trip is.
And when we go on vacation before, it always looked like people were having bigger fun. Now we're having the bigger fun.
It is marvelous. I have a big jacuzzi tub, a big old bed, massages on the beach.
A trip like this was very economical for a family of 4.
The best beaches, beautiful, everyone's just enjoying themselves.
An experience of a lifetime. We'll never forget this vacation.
I'll tell you, if you're not traveling with World Ventures, you're absolutely just doing it the wrong way.
As you can see, these trips are an absolute blast. After having gone on several of these dream trips myself, I can tell you personally that if all this membership offered was access to these dream trips, just from the experience alone, it would be worth more, way more than the cost of the membership. But we did not stop there. As an added member benefit, you'll also have your own 24-hour concierge service. It's a number, just like Google over the phone. They can give you driving directions, make dinner reservations, do research for you online, give you a wake-up call, or just anything else you might want from a virtual assistant. Plus, we've created daily, local, global entertainment options to fit your daily life. When you want a memorable night out close to home, or you want to take the family on an exciting day trip, you can take advantage of our members-only access to numerous local deals at fine restaurants, fun entertainment venues, and even friendly hotels. We also created ways to help you fund those experiences. And here's how. Now, when you book any flight or hotel with our travel partner agency, Rovia, they ensure you get the lowest rate possible. If you need a flight somewhere, a hotel room, or a car rental, you'll have access to Rovia's award-winning booking engine, where you get the guaranteed lowest price on flights and hotels. If you find the same deal for less somewhere else on the same day, the Rovia Price Pledge will give you 150% of the difference in price paid back to you in the form of Rovia Bucks. Bucks that you can use to book more travel. Plus, Rovia has innovative rate shrinker technology. Just seconds after your purchase, Rate Shrinker scours the entire web to find out if prices for your itinerary have dropped. And it keeps a close watch on those rates right up until the day of your trip. Now, if a lower price is found, you get rebooked for the lower amount, which puts the savings back into your pocket. But beyond Rate Shrinker, you can earn a portion of every airfare, hotel, cruise, or rental car that is booked on your personal Dream Trips Live page. Savings to help you fund for your next dream trip. Now, there is no comparison of this Dream Trips Live product to anything else on the market. There's travel clubs out there where the memberships cost anything from $8,000 to $80,000, and they just cannot be compared with World Ventures. But World Ventures has broken them all and is literally reinventing the entire travel club industry by making our program affordable. Our program is not $10,000, it's not even $5,000, it's not even $1,000. For a Dream Trips Live membership, it's just $50 a month with a one-time enrollment fee of $200. Now, you can of course cancel at any time, but if you're like most of our members who have been on a dream trip, you're gonna want to keep it forever. If all that weren't enough, when you refer just 4 other members, World Ventures is going to waive your monthly fees. We call it Refer 4 and Pay No More. We have people who simply show this video either online or on a DVD, and they get their 4 in their very first week. We've even had people get their 4 in the very same day. You see, unlike many direct sales companies you may have heard of or been involved with in the past, you don't have to convince people that they need your product. Everyone already loves going on holiday, and chances are, most people you know would even admit that they need a holiday. By now, I'm sure you can see why this concept is spreading like wildfire around the world. In just over 7 years in business, World Ventures has become the direct selling industry's largest seller of vacation club memberships. Tens of thousands of customers in 23 countries around the world have purchased our memberships. And because of the enormous success of our company, we've been featured in numerous magazines, and our founders were even named regional finalists in the Ernst & Young Entrepreneur of the Year award. Now, World Ventures also offers you an opportunity to earn extra money, to pay for more dream trips, or just to pay for some bills. Become an independent representative with World Ventures. You don't have to be a pushy salesperson. Simply follow the proven system that you're watching right now. Ever since I started using this service, I have had well over 1,000 airfare and hotel bookings via my personal Dream Trips Live page. Now that means that I have earned a lot of Rovia Bucks, which I use to redeem for free travel all around the world. I've also been on numerous dream trips myself, to beautiful beaches like Phuket, Koh Samui in Thailand. I went for my second honeymoon in Paris, France. I had a super fun time with VIP passes for me and my wife to Universal Studios and stayed in 5-star Beverly Hills Hilton Hotel in Los Angeles. Now, we also explored the Grand Canyon in Arizona. all paid for by Rovia Bucks because of this fantastic Dream Trips membership. And with the company's car and home bonus, I now drive a beautiful Mercedes-Benz and stay in a luxury condominium in Singapore. The reason for this success is simple. Our product is one that almost everyone in the world wants: holidays. So become an independent representative with World Ventures for just $11 a month with a one-time enrollment fee of $99.95. And you will be able to earn commissions for all the members you enroll, all the members they enroll, and so on, no matter how large your membership base grows. In just a minute, I'm going to show you how our business building system works, but just to give you an idea of the power of our referral program. When you refer just 6 other customers in your first 4 weeks, with all the bonuses combined, you'll actually earn $570 in less than 30 days for simply sharing this video with others. Now, what I probably love most about our business building system is how incredibly simple the whole program is. Step number 1 is to get your wings. You're going to accomplish that by referring just 4 others who become a Dream Trips Live member. When you do that, your monthly fees are waived and you're gonna qualify to earn commission checks every single week. Step number 2 is to get your wheels. Now this is where it really gets exciting. And this is a major reason why we believe World Ventures will quickly become a household name over the next couple of years. Now getting your wheels means you are qualified for a $600 per month bonus to be used towards the purchase or lease of a silver BMW. Or you can also opt to get the $600 in Rovia Bucks for our international reps. And if you think this bonus might be only for the superstar salespeople or for just a select few people, nothing could be farther from the truth. In the first year of rolling out this bonus, we had over 1,000 people qualify. In fact, we have people who have qualified for their wheels bonus in their very first month, and some in as few as their first week by simply showing this video to others. Here's how it works. You can get qualified for your own BMW or Rovia Bucks with as few as 20 new Dream Trips Live members joining your organization in your very first month. Now that could happen, as an example, from you referring 4 members and then teaching those 4 to refer 4 members. Imagine, within the next 30 to 60 days, being qualified to drive a BMW or earn Rovia Bucks to go on a nice vacation, paid for by World Ventures. And driving a dream car is just the beginning. You have the potential to earn an unlimited income, all based on helping other people get their wings and wheels. Now here's my biggest advice to help you get started. Please do not go out and become a pushy salesperson. We all know most people don't like pushy salespeople, right? Now, if you want to have success with your World Ventures business, simply invite people to see this video you're watching right now and let me do all the selling for you and your team. As you can imagine, we have people who have followed this system and are now earning anywhere from a few $100s extra per month in part-time income all the way up to a full-time income, giving them financial freedom. If that excites you, that's awesome. But let me just ask you 3 questions. If all this did was allow you to experience an extra 1 or 2 holidays a year, giving you precious memories that will last a lifetime, wouldn't it be worth it? If all this did was let you experience the luxury of driving a brand new BMW, paid for by a car bonus, wouldn't it be worth it? And if all this did was allow you to experience earning a residual income that's higher than your monthly bills, giving you financial freedom, wouldn't it be worth it? There are certainly no guarantees of income here. What you get out of it is what you put into it. You may make no money at all and just enjoy the tremendous value of our Dream Trips product. Or you could end up like many of our representatives who have completely changed their lives, who are taking several holidays a year, who are able to fire their boss, who don't have to fight that unbearable traffic to and from work every day, and who are earning more money than they ever thought possible. The thing is, you'll never know unless you get started. So if you're serious about making your life the most it can possibly be, if you're serious about experiencing more fun, making more money, and definitely traveling a lot more, then don't wait. it's time to start following our simple success system. So first, get back to the person who showed you this video and say, yes, I'm ready to get started. Second, begin sharing this idea with others using one of our many presentation tools like this video that will do all the explaining for you. And third, plug in to our ongoing training and support systems to build a global business. You will be in business for yourself, but definitely not by yourself. World Ventures offers you an incredible support network and ongoing training to help you build a successful business every step of the way. Thanks again for taking the time to watch this video and hear how you can experience more what life has to offer with World Ventures and Dream Trips. I look forward to meeting you in person on one of our upcoming Dream Trips. Come join us on the beaches of the world.